Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shadow5 for those that don't know me. And today's video is about what you can do as low-cost improvements in your home that have a really good return on investment. The first thing that I could suggest here is changing out carpet. So lots of people don't like the fact that carpet can maintain odor for animals or be easily destroyed. And also it just doesn't have that appeal to it in our day and age. So replacing carpet can be different in financial investments depending on what kind of quality you're looking for. But even just having vinyl floors can really make the difference when it comes to changing out a carpet floor. That will really be a good change for the room, and you can definitely bank on the fact that it will make a difference for your buyer. Another easy thing to do is definitely repainting. And when I say repainting, make sure to keep in mind that colors should be neutral and should match the color scheme of the home. And make sure that the colors that you choose are not necessarily specific only to your liking. Again, as I mentioned in a previous video, you need to think about depersonalizing the home. So what would the average person walking into your home enjoy to see as colors? You need to think that way. Yes, it's nice to have colors that pop, and do it sparingly. But make sure that the upgrades you do in terms of painting, that most people can be catered to that change. So another easy tip to improving the appeal of your home with a high return on investment is upgrading the fixtures in your home. So when I say fixtures, this can vary from light fixtures to faucets to shower heads and even doorknobs. All these little things are easily purchased at the hardware store, and they can really make a difference for the client. When you have old faucets, for instance, that just look outdated, it can actually make the whole space look outdated. And it's really not that much of a financial commitment to change, and it also can be done without very much knowledge. So I would highly recommend to do this because it really does mean the difference to some people. So another thing that you can do to really improve the curb appeal of your home has to do with landscaping. So you can actually invest a little money into putting in flowers or outdoor decorations that can really make the home inviting when you first come to the home. And at the same time, you can also make sure that everything is tidy, all the grass is mowed. And even if you have to get somebody to do it because you really don't have time, it is absolutely worth the money. So coming back to the inside, another quick tip that I would highly recommend is to deep clean or change tiling. So depending on the space and the size, you can really make the difference for some people. And even if you can't or don't have the money to replace the tile completely, you can actually just do a really deep wash to make sure that you get the grout clean. That can actually make it feel more inviting, cleaner, more well kept. On another note related to floors, sometimes you can also have hardwood floors that are hidden beneath a top floor. And what you can actually do is refresh and restain those floors and bring them back to life. That could actually avoid you having to redo all the flooring altogether, and it could actually really create a good curb appeal when you're walking into that space without it being too heavy on your wallet. That's it, guys. Here are some of the 5 tips that I would give you that would be a high return investment on your home, and you can expect it to be worth it when it comes to sale time. So if you like this channel and the content that I'm producing, please feel free to subscribe below, and you'll be alerted of all the new videos that I'm planning to do in the future related to real estate. See you guys next time.